On the rocky shores of a quiet seaside town in the UK, a mysterious lighthouse stands tall, its beam cutting through the misty night. Locals say it's haunted, whispering secrets to those brave enough to approach. She's determined to uncover the truth about the lighthouse. One stormy evening, armed with her homemade AI drone, Spark, Emily sneaks into the lighthouse. As the storm rages outside, strange things begin to happen. The walls seem to hum, the light flickers rhythmically, and faint whispers echo in the air. Spark, ever logical, detects unusual energy signals coming from beneath the lighthouse. As they descend into the lighthouse's hidden chambers, Emily and Spark discover an underground cavern filled with ancient technology, glowing circuits, rotating orbs, and holograms of star maps. The lighthouse, they realize, isn't haunted. It's an ancient beacon created by an advanced civilization to guide something or someone home. But all is not well. The lighthouse's core, a brilliant crystal at the heart of the beacon, is dying. Without it, the beacon's purpose will fail, and its creator's secret mission will be lost forever. Emily and Spark must solve puzzles, decode cryptic messages, and repair the crystal before it's too late. Along the way, they encounter holographic guardians who test Emily's intellect and courage, and they uncover the true purpose of the beacon: to signal a returning spaceship carrying the last survivors of a lost alien race. As dawn breaks, Emily successfully restores the crystal just in time. The lighthouse beams a powerful light into the sky, and moments later, a massive, shimmering spaceship emerges from the clouds, its passengers looking to the Earth as their new home. The townspeople, awestruck, gather to witness the historic event. Emily, once dismissed as a dreamer, becomes a hero who bridges the gap between worlds. The story ends with Emily and Spark watching the alien settlers integrate into their new life on Earth, while the lighthouse continues its silent vigil, no longer a mystery, but a symbol of hope and connection.